Yeah.
It's okay? You will change after 6. You said, right? You don't need, but you will try.
No, today I will. Today.
No, I just wish I could cook like this.
Really?
I wish I can't.
No, it's a gift. It's a gift.
अफ्रीकन सनराइज। बोत्सवाना एक लैंडलॉक कंट्री है। 4 देश इसको बॉर्डर करते हैं, ज़ाम्बिया, जिम्बाब्वे, साउथ अफ्रीका और नमीबिया। और 2 मिलियन मतलब 20 लाख लोगों की आबादी वाला देश है। सब सहारन रीजन है। Henry,
How's it going?
यादी।
Nice to meet you again.
तो अभी हेनरी है अमेरिका से, ये यहाँ पे इन्होंने अपना कैंप सेटअप किया है। और इस तरफ मेरे एलेक्स है, ही इज़ द गाय। अभी मैं और एलेक्स कैनू जाएंगे।
It's not a gate you want slamming in your face.
He has a bit of a rebound.
Little bit, yeah.
Are we all going in one, or are we taking
3 difference.
3 different?
Yep.
One each.
1 each.
Okay.
So just give me that safety, because it's little rough to sit over here. So just put it this way and take. We need to turn this around. You want to give me a hand?
Yeah.
Come on. No.
Come, Alex. Yeah, this is the one. Come from this side. Oh, I think I myself could do it.
You're strong enough.
How do you feel, Alex? Free. We're gonna go back.
Yeah, I'm cool with that.
Let's park this. So I have done my अभी हमने बिरयानी बनाई थी और दिस वाज ऑन द रिक्वेस्ट ऑफ एवरीबॉडी। और मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैंने बहुत अच्छा बनाया, बहुत बढ़िया बनाया।
Delicious.
रूपर्ट,
Thank you very much. Delicious and spicy.
Absolutely delicious.
और अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है। हेनरी,
Yeah, how's it going? I'm about to
no,
try.
you want it? Yeah, quickly,
Yeah,
take the spoon, take the spoon.
Wait. It's good. There's lots of flavors. It's actually a nice level of spice, I'd say. Yeah.
Okay.
I think I'll have a few more spoonfuls.
Okay, perfect.
Trying my taste buds time. And then it picks up and then gently destroys my throat.
Is that a feedback? You're destroying my...
to be honest about
Oh man!